Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. No, I am not a slash. And the only thing I gotta say is all of us, we are dust in the wind. Thank you for coming over. This is Hey Bartender, special edition, Halloween, one of my best and favorite days a year. Production behind the camera, aka the fan, the groupie, and myself. We'd like to welcome you to this just beautiful edition of Hey Bartender. And today we're going to be working on the beautiful celebration of the All Saints Day, which is going to be El Día de Muertos. Please stay here with me and let me show you how to pour a couple cocktails with an amazing tequila from the lovely Mexico and the state of Jalisco, el volcán de mi tierra. Please stay here with me, let me show you how to pour these bad boys. All right, so you guys, let's get back into business. But before we do that, let's say cheers to every single one of those souls of our loved ones that they're going to come back and actually get together with us in order to celebrate this lovely festivity. Cheers to all of you. And let's start by building Pantheon, the graveyard. This is going to be a really cool cocktail, you guys. And the only first thing, the only homework that you guys want to be doing, it's making your marigold or cempasúchil flower syrup. It's going to be very floral. It's going to have some really nice notes, and actually it's going to taste just like the flower. But just try that not to press the petals too hard because they tend to be bitter. So be very gentle by the time that you actually pluck them off, and grab like approximately 3 marigolds in a pot with 2 cups or 1 cup of water by 2 cups or 1 cup of sugar, according with how many of these cocktails do you want to make, and boil until the sugar gets dissolved, and just let it simmer for a little bit. You're gonna end up with this kind of like a greenish syrup, but if you taste it and if you smell it, it's absolutely delicious. It tastes just like the flower. So this is gonna be the homework, and after that, it's gonna be so easy to build this cocktail. Check this out. Let's get some ice. Ice. Volcán de mi tierra, reposado. Let's go for 1.5 ounces. Make it 2 ounces. If you don't have a chalice glass, just go for 1.5 ounces. But if you're at home, go for 2 ounces. Right?
Right.
Awesome.
Sí.
Sí. You mean we. Lemon juice. Let's go for 1 full ounce. 3/4 ounce of your marigold syrup. And 3/4 ounce of Canton ginger liqueur. Or cognac. Oh, we need a little bit more, production. Let's give it a nice shake. Awesome. Now, let's get a strainer. And we're gonna have a chalice glass, if not martini glass, if not coupe, if not, make it on the rocks. Just make it, because you're gonna love this guy. Let's grab some lime. Let's get like just one side, and let's coat it with nice coat of black salt, and let's pour it inside. Your garnish is going to be the marigold petals and a dehydrated lemon wheel. But do you want to go one step above and be very, very Halloweeny? Don't forget to get your edible glitter at the tip of a spoon. stir pretty hard. Add your petals on top of the lemon wheel. And there you have it. That's gonna be the Pantheon. That's gonna be for the ladies that they come to visit us, for those tough gentlemen that they come over, those lovely spirits that they're gonna come over and visit us. Let's make the Jalisco in the mist. This is gonna be a really cool variation of an old fashioned. So let's start working with your mixing glass. Let's get ice. And we're gonna start with the Volcano Mi Tierra Añejo Cristalino, which is absolutely delicious, and the flavors, they're like so good, but it works perfectly for this type of cocktails. Let's go for 2 healthy ounces. Ancho Reyes, the dark one, the smoked one. Let's go for 1/2 ounce. How about that? You're going to use some Luxardo, maraschino liqueur, or any cherry liqueur. And what we're going to be doing is just 1 bar spoon. I said just 1 bar spoon. There we go. All right. So then we're going to add 1/4 of an ounce Demerara syrup and chocolate bitters. Let's go for 2 nice dashes. Let's stir well. Let's make sure everything is nicely diluted and mixed and chill. Now that we have that, let's try to get a really nice rock, and let's strain. There's no way you can miss the orange peel. A lemon peel. But to give the beautiful touch for it, put your hands in this smoker provided by Volcán de Mi Tierra and give it a little touch. Let it for a couple seconds. And there you have it. The Jalisco in the mist. Happy Halloween to every single one of you. Feliz Día de los Muertos para todos nosotros y por todas las personas que se encuentran lejos, lejos, muy lejos. Happy Halloween. One more thing, you guys. I really would like to thank every single one of you because not too long ago, to be precise, 3 days ago, we hit the beautiful 5K followers. Thank you so much, everyone, for the support. Production and myself, we are indeed with you. And because of that, we like to say cheers. Ooh. Happy Halloween.